If you have been thinking about buying the Apple Watch Ultra 3, or if you are currently rocking an older model and waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, stop what you are doing right now. The latest leaked data from the Asian supply chain just dropped, and it confirms that Apple is about to pull off the biggest hardware shakeup in wearable history. We are not talking about a minor processor bump or a new band color this time. Internal documents and manufacturing orders indicate that Cupertino is completely tearing down the Ultra framework to introduce an absolute beast of a smartwatch. If you buy a current generation watch today, you are going to regret it in just a few short months. Here is exactly why the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is changing everything, and why the competition from Samsung and Garmin should be absolutely terrified. For the past few generations, Apple has been incredibly lazy with the visual identity of its rugged wearable. The chassis has remained a thick, chunky titanium box that, while indestructible, looks massive on smaller wrists. But according to high-level reports from DG Times, the Ultra 4 is undergoing a complete industrial redesign. Component suppliers are preparing for a massive 15% reduction in overall casing thickness. Apple is achieving this by flattening the side profiles and aggressively slimming down the inner display bezels. The goal here is pure engineering wizardry, keeping the massive, high-visibility footprint that outdoor adventurers love, while dropping the thickness enough so it slips effortlessly under a suit sleeve or a fitness cuff. But a thinner chassis usually means a smaller battery, right? Not this time. Apple is mitigating the space constraints by introducing a brand new display architecture and a highly efficient silicon layout. The Ultra 4 will drop the aging internal layout to make room for a radically optimized configuration centered around the upcoming S12 system-in-a-package chip. This brand new processor is being built on an ultra-dense node that prioritizes thermal efficiency and power preservation over raw, unnecessary processing spikes. Early supply chain calculations hint at massive power efficiency gains, meaning that even with a sleeker, lighter physical profile, the Ultra 4 is targeted to easily smash past the current 42-hour battery limit, pushing closer to a 72-hour runtime without requiring low-power mode compromises. The real headline story, however, is not the exterior look. It is what Apple is doing to the back of the casing. For years, smartwatches have relied heavily on software algorithms to guess your biometric data because the physical hardware was limited. Apple is changing that approach entirely. Leak reports from Taiwan Asia Semiconductor, Apple's exclusive component manufacturer for wearable sensors, reveal that the tech giant has doubled the sensor components for the Ultra 4. The back of the watch will feature a completely redesigned, ring-shaped array packed with 8 individual health sensors. This dense hardware stack allows the device to capture pristine, raw biometric data without relying on predictive software guessing games. This upgraded sensor ring unlocks the most anticipated health feature in Apple history: cuffless, continuous blood pressure tracking. The Ultra 4 will utilize its optical heart rate arrays to monitor precisely how your blood vessels react to every single heartbeat. By tracking the subtle pressure waves across the microvessels in your wrist, the watch can detect abnormal arterial patterns and instantly flag high blood pressure warning signs before you even feel a symptom. The feature is currently navigating strict regulatory reviews, and it positions the Ultra 4 as an indispensable, medical-grade diagnostic tool rather than just a simple fitness tracker. If that is not enough to make you wait, leaked engineering code has exposed a massive security upgrade under the internal moniker Apple Mesa. For those who do not know, Apple Mesa is Cupertino's internal codename for Touch ID biometric authentication. The Ultra 4 is highly rumored to integrate a physical fingerprint scanner directly into the architecture of either the rugged action button or the neural digital crown. Imagine never having to awkwardly punch in a 4-digit PIN code with sweaty fingers mid-run, or trying to authenticate a secure Apple Pay purchase while wearing a heavy Face Mask or helmet. A quick tap of the crown will instantly securely unlock the entire ecosystem. Furthermore, Apple is completely reworking the outdoor navigation and screen tech to make this the ultimate wilderness companion. According to internal display pipeline leaks, the Ultra 4 is dropping its older screen panel in favor of a mind-boggling 3500 nit tandem OLED display. This is the exact same dual-stack tech Apple uses in its top-tier iPads, resulting in an incredibly bright screen that remains perfectly legible even under direct, blinding desert sunlight, while using far less power than previous single-layer displays. To match this extreme outdoor capability, Apple is expanding its global satellite infrastructure. The watch will now support full, bidirectional satellite text messaging and emergency signaling completely independent of a cellular plan or a nearby iPhone. This means you can stay entirely connected deep in the backcountry, tracking off-grid routes on a standardized 64 GB of onboard storage, which doubles the room for offline maps and heavy music playlists. To support these advanced navigation systems, Apple is also rolling out an exclusive emergency backup protocol known as Extreme Mode. This feature instantly cuts non-essential background processes and transitions the display into a high-contrast, low-refresh tracking interface. It essentially stretches the final 10% of your battery into an extra 12 hours of critical GPS tracking and satellite connectivity. This ensures that even if you are caught out past your planned window on an isolated mountain peak or a deep forest trail, you will still have a functioning lifesaver secured directly to your wrist. This hardware leap perfectly aligns with the software revolution. Coming fresh off the heels of the latest WWDC keynote announcements, watchOS 27 is completely rebuilding how we interact with our wristwear through deeply integrated Apple Intelligence. The Ultra 4's massive sensor upgrades mean that the onboard AI will no longer just log your stats, it will actively contextualize your entire day. It will analyze your real-time blood pressure shifts, your localized stress levels, and your physical exertion to automatically tailor system notifications, suggest optimal recovery routines, and dynamically manage background power consumption. When you add up a 15% slimmer profile, a revolutionary 8-sensor health ring, breakthrough blood pressure alerts, integrated biometric Touch ID, 3500 nits of tandem OLED brightness, global satellite messaging, and the raw analytical power of watchOS 27, the choice becomes crystal clear. Buying an older model right now is a psychological trap. Apple is about to drop a generational masterpiece this fall alongside the flagship smartphone lineup, completely redefining what a premium smartwatch is capable of executing. Hold on to your cash, clear your calendar for September, and get ready for the ultimate upgrade. Thank you for tuning into Tech Vibe. If this deep dive helped you make sense of the latest tech leaks, make sure to smash the like button right now and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a single piece of breaking hardware news. Drop a comment down below and let us know, are you skipping the current models to wait for the Ultra 4, or do you think a slimmer design ruins the rugged aesthetic? We read every single comment. Stay locked to Tech Vibe, and we will see you in the very next video.